What's up, y'all? So I know I'm looking crazy. Like, my hair is just like kind of just in this big old messy bun. However, let's get this kind of together. However, I am going to do a Aliexpress hair for you guys of this hair that I got in. It is a 22-inch Brazilian body wave. And this is like the cheapest body wave hair that I found on Aliexpress. So that's why I want to do a review for you guys, just to see like how good like cheap ass hair could be. Okay, why do they have to wrap it up like this? Oh my god. Okay, so first things first, the price of this I believe was about like $20 a bundle. And I got 4 bundles, and right off the back there isn't a smell. Like, it just smells like weave, and it's really soft, which is really surprising. The weft is really great. Like, that is awesome. That's a lot of fucking hair. Like, that is a lot of hair. I think I need to see how many grams this is, because I think this might be 100 grams. I thought it was gonna be more like 80 grams, but no, it's not. But look at that. Nice little body wave texture to it. 22 inches. It looks like it's true to length. But, you know, I didn't really, like, count on doing this video until today. So I didn't bring, like, a ruler or nothing with me. But it's really soft, y'all. Like, this is bomb. Oh, my God. I'm so excited to get this in. So I got 4 of them. So here's 1. Here's 2. 3. And then here's 4. I got 4 bundles. This is probably going to be more than enough. Like, I'll probably only use 3. But I always get 4 just in case. I shouldn't even get 3 because my head is so weird. And I'm getting a quick weave. So some of my hair is going to be left out in the front anyways, because I got good hair. And I just don't be wanting to mess with my hair. So that's the reason why I be wearing weave. But sometimes I only have to use 2.5. So I may have her try to put in 4 just because I want to see. But look, y'all. Well, let me move this so y'all can see like how long it's gonna be. Ooh, woo, child! I am excited. I look fucking crazy, but I'm excited. But my sister is the one that's going to be installing this, and she is an actual professional stylist, installer. Went to school for this shit, so we're gonna get her opinion too on it, because to me as a consumer, it's great, but to a professional, it may be different. But y'all, this is thick. Ah! I'm excited. Okay guys, so like I said a second ago, this is my sister, and she's going to be doing my quick weave for me. I just want to show you guys the process of the way that she does quick weaves, just because some people thought honestly I was wearing a wig, which is crazy. But as you can see, she braids up my hair, she puts the wig cap around my hair, and then she sews around the outer perimeter of my braided hair, and then cuts off the excess, and then she begins the process of gluing the tracks or the bundles, whatever you want to call them, onto my hair. So here you guys go. I just want to give you guys a quick little background as to why I recorded all this stuff instead of just giving you just a flat out review. So I hope you guys enjoy this a lot. It was a lot of time to put this on. It literally took about an hour and a half because I had so much hair to put on. But here you guys go.
Different, pull me extra. I don't let up never. I just simply sip, and when I sip my favorite time, cause I sip till I am better.
Oh yeah, and shout out to my boy Laylo Jr. He is the one that is rapping on the track that you guys are listening to right now. You can download this song, KP2. I'm gonna put down the link in the description below.
A host in the Uber to come over, fuck me till I'm in the coma. Body now I'm feeling cold, but how can I get any colder? It's getting old as I'm getting older. Put me on some meat, like some bittersweet. Take it all in, I value my memories from the happiest moments, nigga. All the way down on my misery. On that purple pink, my bitch say she tastes it when she is kissing me. This is me until the end. Rest in peace, DJ Screw and Pimp C, and that's true.
Lena, rolling, zoning. Baby, yes, I'm leaning. Yes, I'm leaning. Yes, I'm leaning. Sipping on something strong. love with drugs. I done fell in love with the activist. She the one that I trust. She the one that I count on. She the one that I count on. She the one that give me purple kisses every time that I'm feeling down, bro. Yeah.
Kisses, baby. Kisses, baby. Sipping addicting, baby. Double cup of keep you patient. I'm always with the lean. Spending days in the days with purple in my car. You can blaze if you like the purple in your blood. Switching like swing, my attitude to change. Sorry in advance, I swear I'm in a train. How about all the fellas hopping out the spray? Hit my man up, don't forget the eye. But I make shit slide. Cause if it's heavy, nigga, that's the shit, nigga, I don't lie. My cough gone forever. My breathing much better. I said my cough gone forever. My breathing much better. Bronchitis for real. That keep me cracking myself. Free full of 2 liter, man, what it is. Lean in the freezer, don't you touch the shit. If it's no purple, it's yellow and red. I don't really like the green, my permanent mess. I'm a mess. OD on lean, I don't mind cause I'm stressed. Damn, ASAP.
I'm a Lena, rolling, zoning. Baby, yes, I'm Lena. Yes, I'm Lena. Yes, I'm Lena. Sipping on something strong. Dirty money in my cup. I done fell in love with drugs. I done fell in love with the activist. She the one that I trust. She the one that I count on. She the one that I count on. She the one that give me purple kisses every time that I'm feeling down, bro. Yeah. Texas all in my cup. Texas all in my cup. I done fell in love. I done fell in love. Texas all in my cup. Texas all in my cup. I done fell in love. I done fell in love. Yeah, I done fell in love. I'm a Lena, rolling, zoning. Baby, yes, I'm Lena. Yes, I'm Lena. Yes, I'm Lena. Sipping on something strong. Dirty money in my cup. I done fell in love with drugs. I done fell in love with the activist. She the one that I trust. She the one that I count on. She the one that I count on. She the one that give me purple kisses every time that I'm feeling down, bro. Yeah.
My Lena is my best friend, pull me extra. I don't let up never. I just sip and when I sip my favorite time. Cause I sip till I am better. My whole world purple. My whole world purple, I'm diving deep in white circles like yeah. I don't really sip no more, I drown. Baby, I just into the car like now. Hold up, pour four on my soda. I'm just swapping on my ears like I'm Yoda. I just want some yellow hoes in the Uber to come over. Fuck me till I'm in the coma. My body now I'm feeling cold, but how can I get in?
Okay, y'all, so we are done with my install. And it is bomb. This is for bundles. It is a lot. She would have been done at 3 bundles, but I asked her to do 4. And y'all, this is amazing ass hair.
I'm a Lena.